Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about none other than Dogecoin itself. If you enjoyed these Doge updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and do let me know in the comments down below, and we will continue to talk about Doge. If we're looking at the overall market, you are seeing quite a bit of green across the board for some altcoins. At the same time, you are seeing some coins lagging behind. Reason being, you did see dominance going up a little bit, which of course is affecting some of these coins right now. But as far as the grand scheme of things go, you are seeing great stuff happening across the board. Whether you're looking at it on the last monthly time frame, weekly, things are definitely heating up for the better. But if we're looking at Doge, up 44.6% on the daily time frame and up 3.9% in Bitcoin comparative. Price is currently sitting at 17.27 cents, and of course market cap approaching $25 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at about 1.5 billion. What exactly is happening? If you did watch my update about Dogecoin, which was literally 2 days back, rest in peace to Kabusu due to that news. As soon as that announcement did come out, I made an update for you guys about Dogecoin, and I talked about a specific thing, and that did end up happening. So we will talk about that, but before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So let's take a look at what's happening with Dogecoin right now. So before we get into some of the news and stuff, you are looking at Dogecoin carrying the overall market cap. Believe it or not, I kind of discussed this in the Pepe update. If you did watch that Pepe update, we're looking at the overall market cap for the entire market of meme coins. It's currently sitting at almost $64.5 billion. And what if I told you a huge chunk of the gain that we have seen over the last 24 hours is solely due to Dogecoin itself? You can see this for yourself. It's up 4.6%. Now 4.6% gain for Dogecoin is not a small move, and exactly what I spoke to you guys about in our update, which was previous update for Doge. I did say that of course, now that Kabusu has passed away, a complete legend. Remember, the reason why we have this meme coin market is due to Dogecoin. It's due to Elon Musk, and we haven't really seen Elon Musk tweet about Dogecoin or talk about Dogecoin for quite some time now. And again, you don't really need Elon Musk. It's, I think, better without Elon Musk's control. But the fact that he did come out and tweet this picture, of course it's Harambe and Kabusu, and of course Harambe absolutely went crazy due to his mention regarding that. You can see this for yourself. OG Dog has ascended to heavens with his friend Harambe, and of course Harambe just absolutely went crazy right after this, which is of course a Solana based meme coin. And of course we are seeing Dogecoin gaining traction. So is it gaining traction due to Kabusu's passing, in the legacy of Kabusu? Potentially. And again, this is pure speculation. At the end of the day, we're speculating, but this is something I spoke to you guys specifically about in the update, of course, that did happen about 2 days back. So very interesting things happening right now with Doge. So let's talk about, as far as its price is concerned, what exactly is happening right now. So looking at the dominance right now, as you can see, dominance did go up a little bit, nothing crazy, but of course this has impacted some of the altcoins across the board. But if you're looking at BTC right now, Bitcoin is looking great. It's setting itself for a major great week, in my opinion, ahead of ourselves. As you guys know, we're closing out the month of May, and I think Bitcoin is setting itself for a great week ahead of it, because of course if you're looking at BTC right now, it's gaining traction once again, and of course massive resistance. If that is able to clear up, I think we could be making our way back above $70,000 as far as Bitcoin price is concerned. So far, so good. Remember, we're in a weekend. On the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual, but we need to keep that factor in mind at all times. But now let's take a look at Dogecoin and see what exactly is happening right now for Doge. So let me take a lot of you back down memory lane, because of course it's always kind of good to go revisit as to what the price history is for Dogecoin itself. So if you've been in this market for 2 to 3 years, I'm sure you guys guys know what happened with Dogecoin last cycle. You can see Dogecoin hit a staggering all-time high of 74 cents. And as a crypto OG, I've seen, you know, Dogecoin when it was literally nothing, and I'm talking about when it was completely flat around here, and it used to just be considered as a joke. And this is where things just went crazy. You know, Elon Musk started tweeting about it, and you know, obviously we were in the pandemic, things just went crazy. And after this, you know, we did see a massive category of meme coins that you know, exist to this day due to Dogecoin existence. So after, you know, having this extensive rally, you know, obviously we did enter a bear market, and an extensive one, and you did see a low for Dogecoin hit about 5.2 cents. And if you have been accumulating Dogecoin since that time, so pretty much below the 8.4 cents resistance, which we actually broke out of December of last year. We had several retests above there, but all of them were rejections. But that was the initial massive breakout. And you know, if you were picking it up within this range, let's just say you know, 5.9 cents, you did see this thing go up about 279%, and we're talking about the largest meme coin. So now that, you know, you have the history out of the way, you know, let's see what is happening. So basically, I'm going to switch to our hourly time frame to really give you guys a better understanding as to what is going on. So we did end up retaking back above this key resistance shortly after Kabusu's you know, passing, unfortunately. Rest in peace to Kabusu, of course, a pure legend. You can see this for yourself. You know, we were able to reclaim back above very easily, and it's gaining traction right now. And as a matter of fact, what ended up happening just today is that we did see Dogecoin hitting a monthly high. Of course, not a yearly high. Our yearly high was at that key resistance at 22.3 cents, but we were able to hit a monthly high. A great sign right now. This is a perfect sign. Of course, extensive resistance coming in its way, but I have a strong feeling that, you know, we do break out towards the upside and start heading back up to this key resistance. Of course, this key resistance is not just a small move. We still have an extensive move for us to get back to that level. That's a 29% move, but you know, I'm very confident that, you know, we will see the market you know, going back towards the upside, and obviously Dogecoin will start making its ways back up to that side. So could we really see Dogecoin entering the 61.8 in the month of June? Let's be realistic. You know, that can happen. That can happen if we're able to close the daily candle. I'm sorry, not the daily candle. If we're able to close this resistance into support line, extremely important. If that's able to happen, I don't think there's any issue for Dogecoin to re-enter the 61.8, which is almost a 30 cents price point, and pretty much major resistance right after that would be around 35 cents. If that is able to clear up, I think, you know, this runs into the 23.6 very fast. Again, that's my personal opinion. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. But so far so good. I'm really liking the setup that we're seeing, especially if you're looking at it on the daily time frame. Things are looking great for Doge right now. Do have resistance coming up around the 18 cents mark. If that resistance is able to clear up, guys, I think we run up to 19.5 cents as the next target. So do let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.